begin our journey by focusing on the breath. Your breathing going in and out of your body quietly on autopilot, out in the background. As you breathe in a little deeper just now, your chest swells very gently, and that breath you bring in curls inwards, circling inside your rib cage. Let yourself breathe in and out at your own rhythm. With the next breath you bring in, make it a little bit deeper. Feel it gliding down your throat into your lungs, making your shoulders rise and fall. On each in-breath, your breath turns inside you like the curl of a wave. A gentle wave in the ocean, you can imagine it warm, splashing against any hard muscles that it finds in your body, making them soft. Breathe in and out. Each in-breath is making you feel more light, more calm. Each out-breath dissolves your body a little bit more, till finally you're almost weightless. You can feel where your physical body's perimeter is. But you, right now, you seem like a light balloon resting on the furniture or the floor. Notice how the only place in your body where this movement, apart from down there in your chest, is the point of you that thinks, that little speck between the eyes. Now that you've got yourself very relaxed and your breathing is following a gentle rhythm that looks after itself completely, you can enjoy a few minutes simply being inside yourself. You will feel how your chest rises and falls with each breath, like the swell of a calm ocean. Be aware of where your body is touching the surface of what it sits or lies on. Gentle, constant pressure against your skin from that surface below. As you breathe in and out, you may sense those occasional tiny creaks that our muscles make with each minute movement. Be aware of this quiet but vast body that you are inside. Give yourself permission to do nothing but breathe, being unguided by yourself. Hear the sound of your breathing in your ears. So familiar, and yet so quiet. You may find that areas of tension gently creep into your body. Muscles try to tense up again. The areas that have been uncomfortable for a long time today are settling back into discomfort. When you observe an area like that, take your breathing to there. Breathe in a sense of space and lightness. Your breath is golden and warm, can massage through those uncomfortable areas, every cell, leaving them softer and relaxed. And while you do that, let your mind drift. In this exercise, all you're going to do is keep yourself as relaxed as you can, so your mind can go where it wants to go. Just let it go. You're not forcing your mind to be quiet over these next few minutes. Instead, you are listening and noting where it wants to go. You've been up here in this quiet, relaxed state, possibly for more minutes than you'd expect. I want you to remember how relaxed you're feeling. how pleasant it was to let go of your mind, to follow it at a discreet distance. This is an exercise you can easily do at any time, for 5 minutes, or only for 30 seconds. It's equally valuable. Letting your mind drift and observing where it wants to go. But let's now leave this gentle observing state and put ourselves back into those bodies that have so much to do in the outer, normal world. Imagine that little part of you that thinks, that tiny speck that's processing every word you hear just now, and all the thoughts that go through your head, that little speck is drifting back to where we've left our physical bodies. Let it drift back to be just above your body as it sits or lies where it is. And then with a few deep breaths, bring it back so that little speck is sitting again just above your eyes, up in the forehead. And breathe yourself back into your body with a series of slightly deeper than normal breaths. In the same way an hourglass fills with sand. As you breathe in, imagine dry sand is dropping down all the way to your feet and your toes. Your legs are slowly filling from the ankles to the knees. Breathe in and feel yourself returning like that slow dropping sand. Let's breathe in and fill the arms now. Sand dropping down to the fingers, wrists. Keep breathing yourself in. Feel that your whole body has returned to the right weight once more. If anywhere feels a little bit empty, like it hasn't quite been returned to, sense that sand falling down to fill all those empty spaces. When you're beginning to feel the right weight all over, try wiggling your toes, moving your fingers. And once you are fully back, breathe in once again deeply, and with that out breath, we'll open up our eyes.